2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Bagoon pa lang kasi channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pinuting notification bell para update kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming me video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like the description box below. For today's my vlog, Kawasaki versus 1100 2025 aspect. Ang SRP niya ay 956,000. Engine type 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder double bed cam, liquid cooled. Engine displacement 1,999 cc cubic centimeter. Bow stroke 77.0 by 59.0 mm. Compression ratio 11 by 8 by 1. Maximum of power 133.0 horsepower at 9,000 RPM. Maximum of power, maximum of torque 85.5 kilo feet at 7,600 RPM. Fuel system DFI with 38mm throttle bodies for transmission 6-speed return shift with wet multi-disc manual with assist and slipper clutch. Final drive chain, electronic rider edge, economical riding indicator, electronic cruise control, Kawasaki traction control or KTRC, Kawasaki electronic control suspension, Kawasaki intelligent anti-lock braking system, anti-lock braking system or ABS. Power modes, Kawasaki cornering and management function, Kawasaki quick shifter or KQS, AMU, enhance of chassis, orientation awareness, type frame type twin tube aluminum, trail 106 mm, wheel travel front 150 mm, wheel travel rear 152 mm, front tire size 120/70 by 17, rear tire size 180 by 55 by 17. Steering angle left and right 44 degrees. Wheelbase 1,520 mm, ground clearance 150 mm, fuel tank capacity 21.0 liters, seat height 840 mm, curb weight 259 kilos. Kung baguhan pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click yung notification bell for more updates para upload this my videos. Kung lagi kayong nagagawin sa akin channel, nasa tamang channel kayo, huwag mong hayang mag-subscribe sa akin channel at huwag kayong mag-like, mag-share at mag-comment dito sa baba nito. Para patuloy tayong gumawa ng mga bagong videos tungkol dito. Ito ay itong motor na ito ay isa siyang adventure bike na sports. Inline 4 siya na 1,000 cc 1,999 cubic centimeter. Ang totally displacement niya ay 1,043 cc na inline 4. Ang SRP niya ay 956,000. Ang horsepower niya ay 133.0 horsepower at 9,000 RPM. Ang torque naman niya ay 85.5 kilo-feet at 7,500 RPM. Ang fuel system naman yan FI DFI with 38 millimeter throttle bodies na may quick shifter rider aids na may economical riding indicator electronics na may cruise control at traction control with electronic control and suspension na may intelligent na anti-lock braking system o anti-lock braking system or ABS na may power modes na cornering management function na may quick shifter na may IMU chance of chassis na orientation awareness. Ang frame naman niya may twin tube aluminum. Trail niya ay 106 mm na may wheel travel niya na front 150 mm yung front. Yung rear naman niya 152 mm. Yung sukat ng gulong niya sa harapan ay 120/70 by 17 tubeless. Yung rear naman niya ay 180/55 by 17. Yung wheelbase naman niya may 1,000 na sukat ay 1,520 mm. Yung ground clearance niya ay height to ground, low to ground ay may 150 mm. Ang capacity naman, fuel tank capacity naman niya may 21.0 liters. Ang sukat naman niya ng seat height niya ay 840 mm. Yung bigat naman niya ay 259 kilos. Ito ay mabibili mo sa may kahit anong branch na mabibili ng Kawasaki branch, kahit saan tong branch. Pwede rin sa may Motorcycle City, kahit saan pwede mabili, either cash or installment. Ang cash naman nito ay 956,000 ngayong 2025 model na may kulay na siya na may gray with black with green stitching. Isa pa doon ay mayroon siyang pwede mo siyang i-connect sa phone mo, connectivity. May apps. Pwede mo siyang i-connect. So, pwede mo siyang palagyan din ng Chigi. Ito malakas to kasi di ka nabibitinin ito kasi ang displacement niya kasi 1043cc. Ngayon. Yung bago na tong labas niya to na Versys 1100 2025 model. Ito lang, base ko lang to sa research ko. Depende naman sa inyo kung anong preference nyo sa motor na kukunin nyo. Depende naman either sports bike, naked bike, or sa adventure bike. Kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates for more upload these my videos. Thank you for watching this my vlog. For more upcoming these my videos. Thank you for watching this my vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Babush! Thank you for watching.